Namaskaram. Myself, Dr. Purushothaman Namboothiri, Associate Professor and HOD, Department of Shalyatantra, Ashtangam Ayurveda Chikitsalayam and Vidyapeetham. Shalyatantra is one of the 8 branches of Ayurveda, and this subject deals in the final year of BAMS. Shalyatantra mainly focus on 2 aspects, Shalya and Tantra. The Shalya means Manas Sharira Abadakarani Shalyani, that which cause difficulty or irritating to the mind or body can be considered as Shalya. In other words, any foreign body any foreign thing in our body can also be considered as Shalya. Starting from one first point to any foreign material inside the body can also be considered as Shalya. This department, Shalyatantra department, is mainly focusing on to alleviating these conditions and to remove the foreign particles from the body. So this is one of the important branches of Ayurveda, and which is mainly focusing on surgical, parasurgical and orthopedic side of Ayurveda.
Namaste. Myself Dr. Jyotsna Govindan, Assistant Professor, Department of Shalyatantra, Ashtangam Ayurveda Chikitsalayam and Vidyapeetham. Shalyatantra basically deals with 2 areas. We have the surgical and parasurgical areas and the orthopedics, or anything which is related to bones. And here the students are given training at theoretical as well as clinical levels, where they are encouraged to develop their own clinical skills.
Department of Shalyatantra is basically made up of the area in the college and the clinical facility in the hospital. The department area where the students are provided with various aids to help study easily. Many charts and models have been arranged to help them grasp the basic details. The department also has a well set of library books relevant to the Shalyatantra, which can be made use of. Through the course period, students are also made aware of various surgical instruments and how they are used. The other section of Shalyatantra is within the hospital, where the students are trained clinically.
The outpatient department is a spacious consulting area where the students are introduced to the basic clinical examinations. Shalyatantra has basically 2 aspects, a surgical cum parasurgical aspect and an orthopedic aspect. Outpatient department is set up with an intention to provide a clear picture to the students regarding both these areas. We have an examination table for general examinations as well as a separate area for examination of anorectal cases such as piles, fistula and fissure. Attached to the OPD, we have a parasurgical unit where many of the outpatient level treatments are carried out. Shalyatantra can effectively deal with conditions like elbow pains due to tennis elbow, golfer's elbow, as well as foot pain due to plantar fasciitis, hand pains due to carpal tunnel syndrome by using parasurgical procedure called Agni Karma, which is done in the parasurgical unit. Other conditions like varicose veins as well as wounds over feet due to diabetes, commonly known as diabetic ulcers, as well as varicose ulcers are managed through other parasurgical procedures like application of leech as well as Siravyadha or bloodletting. Certain orthopedic managements such as bandaging for ligament sprains and also managing certain fractures are also carried out in Shalyatantra department. Next, we have a well-equipped operation theatre unit where excision of skin warts, food corns as well as drainage of pus from abscess is done. Here, we also manage anorectal diseases such as piles, fissures and fistula. We use specially prepared medicine called Kshara and Kshara applied medicated threads called Kshara Sutra for their managements. For the preparation of such Kshara Sutra, we have special Kshara Sutra cabinets with a capacity to hold numerous threads at a time. As a part of sterile precautions, we have an autoclave unit to ensure all instruments and materials used during a surgical manipulation is safe and hygienic and make the post-operative period infections as well as other complications free. Throughout the study period, students are encouraged and motivated to become efficient and independent. They are given the opportunity to take part in educational seminars as well as awareness camps, and they will definitely instill a confidence in them. It is aimed through Shalyatandra training to mold the future doctors. They are guided through proper clinical examination skills and management. Any budding doctor should strive to have a clinical examination skill and a confident outlook, and they are assisted in achieving this through Shalyatandra department training.